You're flipping through the pages of a magazine and you see this gorgeous Christmas tree and you wonder to yourself, how did they decorate it so beautifully? I'm here to show you a few of their secrets. We'll begin with lights. Begin by taking your tree apart. This will make it easier to hang the lights. To attach your lights, cut pipe cleaners in half and then in half again so you have 4 pieces per 1 pipe cleaner. You'll need a lot of these. Run your string of lights from the center of the tree along the bottom of the branch to the end of the branch, holding the string in place with your pipe cleaners. Now take that string and run it along the top of the branch and attach it again using the pipe cleaners. Continue until all the branches are covered. For added interest, use different sizes of lights, but make sure they're all the same wattage. Hang ornaments on the inside of your tree, placing them near the trunk. Use ornate ornament hooks, which don't cost a lot more than the ordinary ones, and they again add some interest to your tree. Create some bunches of ornaments in groups of 3. Using an ordinary hook, bend it straight, and then thread the ornaments onto the hook. Twist the ends together and hang it from your tree. I hope this inspires you to add a designer touch to your Christmas tree this year. And who knows, maybe you'll find a puppy under your tree on Christmas morning.